At a time when Pakistan is sending unidentified militants to India via Nepal border, the friendship of India and Nepal is blooming as we see from the ground zero. We are present at the Indo-Nepal border and the no man's land especially. And to establish this particular part, I'll be explaining you what it is all about, because currently India and Nepal forces are doing the joint operation, the joint combing, joint patrolling out here after the news which broke out and said that a total of 30 to 35 unidentified militants from Pakistan can enter the Nepal border, and to ensure them not crossing the border, be it SSB or the armed police force of Nepal, both have come together for the joint patrolling at here. And if I may explain to you, as India and Nepal share mutual friendship, this is just the symbolic thing to ensure that at this particular point, that's India, where it's written India, Bharat, and while on this particular side, it's written Nepal. So this is Nepal, and right here is Nepal. But currently, we are standing at the no man's land, because 10 yards from here to 10 yards from there is the no man's land, and that's why both forces are doing the operation at present. As you see, Nepal and Indian forces all together have come to fight against the terrorism, and that's why it becomes very crucial. I have been joined by Commandant of SSB, Ganga Singh ji. Ganga ji, please tell us about the joint operation, what you guys are doing here, and what are the planning in the wake of the news which came out that some people are trying to cross the border.
Yes, as you know that some person of Pakistan nation and some are from Bangladesh. They have already crossed over to Nepal, and they may try to come into India through that open and porous border. Though for that we are with the Nepal APF and SSB, we are regularly doing joint patrolling, regular interval. We are almost alert 24 into 7, and we are ready to take over any challenge.
How Nepal is with India in this fight against terrorism?
Nepal is always with us, since we are the both are the friendly countries. So Nepal is with us at any moment. We used to organize one counterpart meeting on every month. 1 month they used to come in Indian side, and then next month we used to go to Nepal.
Because this is a very sensitive area, as we know that we are reporting from Behraij, nearby where is the Behraij district, and Ayodhya is hardly 2 to 3 hours from here. If you talk about Behraij, Gorakhpur or some other areas, we got the intel input that the terrorists who have been arrested from Varanasi and Noida, they are planning to launch an attack in the religious places, especially Ayodhya, the Ram temple. So do you see anything regarding that, those particular unidentified militants who are there? Do they have any intentions to attack Ayodhya or plan something like that?
Right now there is no any specific information with us. They are trying to enter by using the open and porous border. They may enter through UP and Nepal border. They may enter through other state like Bihar and other state border. They may enter from any border, but SSB is deployed on Indo-Nepal border, and SSB is like me, my battalion, whole the battalion of SSB, they are alert 24 into 7.
Okay, so you can clearly see that they could have some deep intentions, but if you see the forces from Nepal as well, if my cameraman Vijay will pan the camera right there, I'll move to one particular Jawan of Nepal force. You see, he has also got weapons, he has also got these artillery, so everything is with them as they are with India in this fight against terrorism. Be it the women officers out here, you can also see the women officers. It's not just about the men force, women have also come in large numbers to get in with India in this fight against the terrorism, and that's why you see the friendship of India and Nepal, and in clear its message is loud and clear from the Indo-Nepal border, from the no man's land, that yes, in this fight against the terrorism, be it India or the Nepal, both nations are together. With cameraman Gaurav Gupta, Samarth Srivastav, Indo-Nepal border, India Today.